Hello, my friends. I'm teacher Tiago. If you want to improve your English while you listen to an interesting history, you are in the right place. You can listen to me while you're reading the subtitles to improve your reading. Or, if you prefer, you can listen while you do something else. The important thing is to understand the history and improve your English. Today, we will talk about Po, one of the funniest, kindest, and most inspired heroes in animation. If you do not know him, do not worry. Today, you will learn who he is, how his journey begins, and why so many people loves his history. And before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. That's help a lot and support more easy English history like this one. Now, let's begin. Po is the main character of Kung Fu Panda. At the beginning of the history, Po does not look like a hero at all. He's not fast, he's not elegant, he's not serious, and he does not look like a Kung Fu master. Po is a big panda who works in his father's noodle shop. He loves food, he loves Kung Fu, and he dreams about the Furious Five, the greatest Kung Fu fighters in his world. He admires them very much. He knows everything about them, and in his heart, he dreams of being part of that world. But his real life is very different. Instead of training, Po spends his days helping at the noodle shop. Instead of fighting, he imagines exciting kung fu adventures in his mind. Because of this, most people would never believe that Po could become someone important. That is one of the reasons his history is so powerful. Po starts as someone that others underestimate. They see his body, they see his clumsy way of moving, they see his silly side, but they do not see his heart, they do not see his passion, and they do not see his potential. One day, everything changes. There's a special ceremony to choose the Dragon Warrior. This warrior will be someone important, strong, and destined for greatness. Po wants to watch the ceremony because he is a huge fan of Kung Fu. He tries very hard to get there, and through a funny and unexpected moment, he suddenly appears right in the middle of the event. Then something unbelievable happens. Master Oogway chooses Po as the Dragon Warrior. Everyone is shocked. Po is shocked. Master Shifu is shocked. The Furious Five are shocked too. Nobody understands why. Po is just a panda who loves noodles and drinks too much. How could he be the chosen one? How could someone like him becomes the Dragon Warrior? This is where Poe's real journey begins. At first, everything is difficult. Poe is not accepted. Master Shifu does not believe in him. The Furious Five do not respect him. And Poe also begins to doubt himself. He wants to do well, he wants to learn, he wants to deserve the title, but his training is hard. He falls, he fails, he makes mistakes, and many times it seems like he does not belong there. This part of the history is very important. Poe is not a hero who is ready from the beginning. He is awkward, he is insecure, he is different, but he keeps trying. That is what makes him special. Poe teaches us that being different does not mean being weak. Sometimes the thing that makes you look strange is the same thing that makes you powerful. At first, Shifu tries to train Po like the others, but that does not work. Po is not like tigers. He's not like crane, monkey, viper, or mantis. He cannot learn the same way they do. Little by little, Shifu understands something important. Po needs a different kind of training. And when Shifu discovers that food is Po's greatest motivation, everything starts to change. With food, Po becomes faster, more focused, more determined, and much more alive. This is simple but strong lesson. People do not always grow when they are forced to be like everyone else. Sometimes they grow when someone understands who they really are. As Po trains, he slowly gets better. he becomes stronger. He becomes more confident. And for the first time, he starts to believe that maybe he really can become the dragon warrior. But then comes the great danger, Tai Lung. Tai Lung is powerful, dangerous, and full of anger. He is also believed that he should become the dragon warrior. He trained for years and expected that honor. But when he did not receive it, he became consumed by rage. Now he wants the dragon scroll, and everybody fears him. Compared to Tai Lung, Po seems even less likely to be a hero. Tai Lung's look like a true warrior. Po still looks like a mistake, and that is exactly why Po's history is so inspiring. Before the final battle, Po learns something surprising. The Dragon Scroll does not contain a magical secret. There is no hiding power inside it. At first, this feels disappointing, but then Po understands the real lesson. The power was never in the scroll, the power was never in magic. The power comes from believing in yourself. The power is coming from accepting who you are. This changes everything. For the first time, Poe truly understands that he does not need to become someone else. He does not need to fight like tigers. He does not need to be serious like Shifu. He does not need to look perfect. He only needs to become the best version of himself. And that is when Poe becomes truly strong. When Poe fights Tai Lung, he does not win by copying others. He wins by using what makes him unique. He uses his body. He uses his creativity. He uses his courage. And in the end, he wins. This victory is not only about defeating a villain, it is about proving that greatness can come from unexpected place. It is about proving that even someone who seems unlikely can become a true hero. And by the way, if you want to improve your English step by step, just like Poe improves during his journey, you should check out our Curiosity books in Easy English. They are fun and simple way to learn more English while discovering interesting things at the same time. And the best part is that they cost less than a cup of coffee. Yes, less than a cup of coffee. So, if you want to learn in a light, enjoyable, and smart way, our books may be perfect for you. Now, let's continue. After becoming the Dragon Warrior, Poe's journey does not end. In fact, it's only the beginning. Because being a hero is not only about one victory, it is about continue to grow. It is about learning more about yourself. It is about understand what really matters. As Poe continues his journey, he learns more about his past, his family, and his identity. This makes his character even deeper. Poe is funny, yes, but he's also emotional. He's kind, he's brave, and he has a big heart. That is one of the best things about him. Many strong characters become serious and cold, but Poe becomes stronger while still being warm, funny, and kind. He does not lose himself when he becomes powerful. He stays true to who he is. That makes him very special. His relationship with Master Shifu also changes a lot. At first, Shifu does not believe in Poe at all. Later, he begins to guide him. And finally, he respects him. This is an important part of the history. It shows that true teachers also learn. Shifu learns patience. He learns truth. He learns that greatness does not always come in the form people expect. Poe also becomes an inspiration for others. He is not a hero because he was born perfect. He is a hero because he kept trying, he kept believing, he kept staying up after every failure. That is why so many people love him. If you have ever felt different, awkward, underestimated, or not good enough, Poe's history has a beautiful message for you. It says that your value is real. It says that your difference can become your strength. And it says that you do not need to be like everyone else to do something great. Poe begins as a dreamer working in a noodle shop. He becomes the Dragon Warrior. He becomes a true fighter, a true student, a true friend. And most importantly, he becomes himself. That is why Poe is unforgettable. So, thank you for being here with me today. If you enjoyed this history, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more slow English histories. And if you want to improve your English in a fun and easy way, remember to check out our curiosity books too. You can learn English, enjoy a great history, and grow little by little every day. See you in the next history. Bye bye.